Today's question, why is it important for me to include the letters LLC or the words Limited Liability Company in my business and on my signage and contracts when I'm doing business? Okay, this is a very common question and thing you see out there. If you drive around town and you see a small business, it's more than likely you've seen a van that says Ted's Painting LLC, or a plumbing company, Smith Plumbing LLC. And they all put the not all, but most put the LLC right on the van, right on the sign. Why did they do this? Well, under the law, if you're operating as an LLC, a limited liability company, you're required to inform the public of the fact. In other words, you're saying, this is my business and it has limited liability limited to the business assets. If I, as a member of the public, do business with you, I'm supposed to be aware that I am contracting with your business entity, Ted's Plumbing LLC, and not with Ted Smith personally for those services. In other words, Ted Smith is not personally guaranteeing his work. If he does a faulty job to my plumbing system, I can sue Ted's Plumbing LLC, but I can't go sue Ted Smith personally and try to take his house for my damages. So if you operate an LLC, make sure you are disclaiming that fact to the public on your signs, your business letterhead, your checks, your business cards. If you do not do this and later you try to claim the privileges of LLC protection, but you were not adequately advertising that you operate as an LLC, the court could choose to do what we call piercing the veil, piercing the corporate veil, saying you weren't really acting as a business entity. Therefore, they could allow someone to sue you and get to your personal assets. So if you form an LLC, it's a great idea for personal liability protection to separate your business liability from personal liability, but make sure you're observing those LLC formalities to keep the protections of the LLC for your business. Great question, and thank you for asking.